Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Dyson V7, gather the following tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson V7. You can find these online or at your local hardware store. First, unplug your Dyson V7 from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electric shock or damage to the device. Next, lay the vacuum cleaner on a flat surface and prepare to access the battery compartment. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the two screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner near the battery. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently pry the battery cover away using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips. Once the cover is removed, you will see the battery. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector apart. If there is any dust or debris inside the compartment, use the soft cloth to clean it out thoroughly. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the corresponding connector in the battery compartment. Ensure that the connection is secure. After this, carefully place the battery back into the compartment and align the cover properly. Replace the two screws you previously removed with the T15 Torx screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. If you find this process challenging or if you don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. This allows you to focus on your day while we handle the repair for you. After replacing the battery and securing the cover, it's time for a quick test. Plug your Dyson V7 back into the charger and allow it to charge fully. Once charged, turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the vacuum operates as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. Lastly, it's a good idea to keep your vacuum clean and well maintained. Regularly check for any blockages and clean the filters. If at any point you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you keep your Dyson V7 in top condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.